Hello, good morning. Good Saturday afternoon, morning, whatever. For breakfast, I'm fixing myself some pancakes and bacon. So I have this Birch Bender's Keto pancakes. Just want to show y'all right quick, and then I come back when I'm eating. And then I got these Applegate organic bacon. I like this bacon. First time buying it. Got your grass-fed butter, curry gold, and then this is what I sprayed in my pan for my bacon, and I use the butter for my pancakes. This is what the pancake batter looks like. It's basically 2/3 of pancake flour to a half a cup of water. I'm back. I got my Sans, actually Sans Pellegrino mixed with Nature Mountain Valley sparkling water with a lemon squeezed in. After I eat, I'm going to take my supplements. This is chlorella manna. I did a video on this already. I forgot I had this. I got from a doctor who, when I went for his, when I went to go get cryotherapy and stuff, and basically I found it in the back of my closet. It's still good, so I took a teaspoon yesterday, and basically when I get low on this, then I dump this in. It's bicarbonated too. After I eat, I take my chlorella manna, 6 tablets. And then this keto, I never tasted this before, so I'm about to taste it now. You only need water. It's hot down there, hold on. So yeah, you only need 2/3 cups of powder to a half a cup of water. And they're okay. They don't taste like a real pancake, flour pancake. This is how it looks. Seems like it has some, like you're eating an almond. a crushed up almond. I need some kind of sweetness on this. Hold on. I just put some agave nectar. They said agave nectar is supposed to be low in glycemic quality. But let's see what it's made with. Agave syrup, organic. Okay. So it is a sweetener. It's organic agave syrup. So I just drizzled a little bit more. I don't know. I'm not feeling these pancakes. I don't like the taste. They also have this in regular and paleo. Paleo is higher in carbs, I think. As you can see, this is only 5 grams a net for 4 pancakes. Makes about two 4-inch pancakes. I made 4 out of the batter. It says 4 4-inch pancakes. I don't know. Its saturated fat is low, 2 grams. Carbs is 10, minus the dietary fiber of 5 grams. Got 3 grams of total sugar. and 9 grams of protein. The regular Birch Bender's pancakes is really good. You can get them in chocolate chip, regular, and blueberry. But these right here ain't the move. Now, on the other hand, this bacon is good. It's uncured Sunday bacon, no preservatives, no nitrates. Added pork raised with no antibiotic ever. As you can see right here. This is the nutrition facts, 2 slices, which I have 70 calories, 5 grams of fat, 2 grams of saturated fat. That's a goal for me, is to get my saturated fat down, because I go way over every day. It has 0 carbs, 0 fiber, 0 sugar, and it's 6 grams of protein. Pork raised exclusively on certified organic feed. Ingredients is organic pork, water, sea salt. Contains less than 2% of the following organic: cane sugar, celery powder. And I got this from Sprouts. So y'all can look it up if you're looking for something, you know, low in saturated fats and stuff. You know, I think that's important, especially for people that are, you know, if you have high blood pressure, diabetes and stuff like that, you need to control your saturated fats. And although, you know, we use butter and stuff and the oils and stuff, I think you need to be aware of maybe how much of it you should use a day. And that's something I'm very aware of, because my saturated fats, even though it's good fats, but still too much of one thing can always, you know, be bad. Like drinking too much water could be bad. And I remember listening to 2 Fit Doctors on YouTube, and her husband was a diabetic, and he was eating good and everything, and he still was wondering, you know, with his saturated fats and stuff, he was wondering why his numbers was always high, and he said probably it was the saturated fats, because when you go into keto, it's like, you know, use your butters, use your oils, use your this, use your that, but that stuff is high in saturated fat. So if you're using butter for everything several times a day, the MCT oil is high in saturated fat. Extra virgin olive oil has a high saturated fat. The only one that don't have a high saturated fat is ghee. So I might be bumping down to ghee sometimes instead of butter for certain things. So I'm gonna drink down this thing. I'm gonna get another cup and show y'all how it looks. So I got this from a natural doctor. It's this vitamin C, buffered vitamin C crystals. I forgot that he gave this to me. I had it pushed in the back of my cabinet. This is the nutrition information on it. It has good reviews as well. I think you get it off of Amazon as well. So you can look it up and what it does. But basically, I'm gonna pour some of my salsa water in here. Just so I could drink it down. This is what it looks like. It's like a bicarbonate fizzy drink, and you use 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna just drink this down. I don't want to mix it in my cup. There you go. I'll drink it all down. It's kind of like an Alka-Seltzer type of taste. And now I'm gonna swallow my Corella Mana pills. It's 6 of them. You should take 6 a day, or if you have a physician who say you can take more. I do have a video on this, so you can go and check it out. And I just took that, so I'm gonna hurry up and choke these. I don't even think I'm gonna eat more of these pancakes. Maybe just another slice, and I'm done. This is how my bacon came out. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there. Until next time. Peace.